so many people queuing up outside to come in. And as I said, this match being played in the backdrop of India-Australia friendship and collaboration. Anthony Albanese, the Prime Minister of Australia, and Shri Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of India, alongside the two captains. They're expected to announce even closer friendship in the days to come. That friendship will end in about 7 or 8 minutes and then recommence at close of play. They went round the ground in an open motorcade today to rousing cheers. Australian Prime Ministers over the years have known to have a great affinity with cricket, starting from Sir Robert Menzies all the way down. So is the Honourable Narendra Modi, never short of wishing the team well. Must be a big moment for a lot of those players. It's always good when your head of state when your Prime Minister wants to come and see you play. Just remind you, on the field itself, Australia, as I said a little while ago, Australia unchanged, India just the one change. They will be batting first on a surface that is pretty different from some of the surfaces we've seen so far. Had a nice little cultural program for a brief while before the play started. And now the two teams will line up in the presence of their respective Prime Ministers for the national anthem. It's always a very special moment if you're out on the field for it. So let's join the two teams with the national anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
And so to the cricket. India versus Australia. 75 years of friendship. It was to Australia that independent India first sent a cricket team out. November 1947, that first test match in Brisbane, that India first played under the banner of India. And now a little over 75 years later, here in Ahmedabad, they will take on Australia once again in a test match that will decide how this series ends. Will it be 3-1? Will it be 2-2? We don't like draws these days. Matthew Hayden's alongside me, so is Sunil Gavaskar. We'll hear from them very shortly. as the two prime ministers find their way to where they're going to sit to watch